All right, welcome to the Screen Innovations booth. We're here at ISE, Hall 1, stand N80. I want to show you something really cool. We created a product that was focused on entirely the design of your room. When you buy a house and you buy it for the view, what's the number one thing that's important to you? The view. So why would you go into a room and turn to the place where you can mount the flat panel television? Zero-G was created to give you the ability to put your screen where it should go, not where it has to go. And so you can see as this screen rolls down how absolutely revolutionary this product is. First of all, the design of this product is set up so that it will look good in your room and actually give you the ability to have an immersive experience the way you want it. You can see it's completely different from any other motorized screen on the planet. There is no masking on top of this screen. We like to call it levitating. In fact, these cables where this screen is rolling down from can be color-coded to match the design behind the screen. So if you have, some greenery, a bay of windows or anything like that behind your screen, think about getting a green cord color to match that greenery or whatever's behind your screen so that this screen literally looks like it's levitating in your room. Zero-G is available in any of our optics, including Slate, which you see here, which is our ambient light rejecting optic, which allows you to have the lights on in the room. Very important if you're focused on design and aesthetics of the room. Nobody wants to sit in a dark living room or paint the walls and ceilings black in order to watch TV. Now, the important thing here is because this is open on the top, you can drop this up to 16 feet, all the way from the ceiling, all the way down. So if you have a large ceiling, a high ceiling, or any kind of fancy architecture up there, you can drop Zero-G down without a giant bat wing on top. In fact, you can place speakers above or cameras or any kind of object that you need. Maybe for a boardroom, you might need a camera up there to do conferences or things like that. We'd love to show you more about Zero-G. Come check it out at screeninnovations.com.